This is a VicTsing mouse pad, literally. It says 2 years warranty, I guess, and see how long it is. So the length is like 14 inches and a half. And it says 11. So it's a pretty large one, so my arm can go like across like that. Let's open her up. Looks like that opened before. We'll see. It's made in China, obviously, but it's a German brand, so that's a higher quality. The back is a nice matte material. It's dusty. It's a fabric-based one. Let's see how it glides. It's fabric-based, so I'm not sure how accurate it is. It's probably very similar to the SteelSeries mouse pad, but this one doesn't fray. But so far, mine hasn't frayed yet. So these can last like almost 10 years. So it's a bit different, the fabric. The feel of it is like, So this overall has better glides, feels better when you float it. This one is more drag. So the VicTsing one is better than the for glides, but it's not too glidey, not too slippery. It's enough control. So yeah, it glides better, has a better glide. It's nice and smooth, less effort. Feels great. That's German engineering, so yeah. SteelSeries is not as good, so I might get rid of it. Overall, this VicTsing is really good. It has more glide. So I'm like, you don't need to put damage pressure when you glide, just very little. You can remove it. You can do this on here's. I'm using way more force. This one is less force. So I highly recommend the VicTsing mouse pad. It's like it's like better. It's like a slightly better air glide. Ooh, feels really nice. I like this. That feels really nice. So you gotta try it before you buy it, but this feels really nice. You go like this, wax on, wax off. Mr. Miyagi. Feels great. So yeah.